In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a dead iPhone. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Now, if your iPhone is completely unresponsive, don't worry. Here's how you can bring it back to life in just a few steps. The first thing I would recommend doing is just grabbing your charging cable and connecting it to your phone just so that you have a power source. Let it charge for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, that does mean even if the screen is black, sometimes the battery is just completely drained. After about 10 minutes of doing that, go ahead and press and hold on that side button, which is that power button, to see if that iPhone does turn on. That being said, if it's still not responding, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually press the volume up button and then release it, then press and release the volume down button, and then go ahead and press and hold the side power button, and just keep holding that power button for a little bit. The screen might stay black at first, but as soon as you see that Apple logo up on your screen, go ahead and release the button and wait. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time, so keep holding that button, but as soon as you see that Apple logo, you're good to go. Your iPhone should now power on after doing a brief restart. If this video did help you out, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe for even more tech tips just like this. It really does help out the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.